Guys, dcs here. How are y'all? I hope you guys are doing good. So this time's car in the Hot Wheels series is a really simple one. I mean, so classic. It's from the 1998 one, and it's also called the 5th generation car. It's got 1 out of 5 in Honda, not the same without the Hot Wheels flame. This car is a legendary one, guys. The 1998 Honda Prelude. Of course, who doesn't know this JDM? It's a very cool and classic car. I love the design, love the long hood. It's so nice. Even the rear wing, even though it's so simple, it's so cool. I love the long car design, really nice. And also, yeah, as I told, it's a 5th generation one. This car is called the Honda Prelude SH, which was called the super handling one with its active torque transfer system, you know, the ATTA, the cool one. And also this car, even though it's a front wheel drive, yes, this car is disappointing part. It's a front wheel drive. So yeah, even though it has a front wheel drive, it's a double wishbone suspension, guys, you know, with that, because of its low ride height, they couldn't put the normal McPherson struts, so they had to go with the double wishbone. And also Steve Jobs owns one, so that's the cool part about the Honda Prelude, guys. And it has a lot of details which we'll discuss in the looks and details. But before that, we got to talk about the previous video which I uploaded. It was a BMW Z4 Motorsport. That was also a cool race car. Want to check it out? It'll be up on the screen right here. So yeah, talking about the Honda Prelude, I can't talk more. Let's just go for the unboxing, guys. Let's see what this car holding for us, as it has a lot of details to discuss about. Let's go for the unboxing. So now, on to the looks and details of the Honda Prelude, guys. It is the cool look of this car. So yeah, even though it has a lot of detailings, which I mentioned earlier, it does miss some parts in the paint job, like at the front hood. It's kind of scribbled down there. I don't like that. Well, yeah, that's a disappointment. And also the front Honda logo ain't so nice, like it's kind of misaligned, but that's okay. The overall look of this car is pretty damn nice. Like, you have the front headlamp detailing, that's pretty cool, and you also have the tail lamps detailing, that's also nice, with the Japanese number plate, kind of a stock look. That's really nice. I really like that. And also the exhaust detailing is pretty damn cool. Yeah, right there at the bottom. And the wheels are also simple, like the normal Hot Wheels 5-spoke wheels, like that. And the interior is also cool, guys. Forgot to mention the sunroof is pretty damn large on this car. And you also have the side view mirror detailing. That's cool. I really like the details on this car. They've done it perfectly compared to other Hot Wheels, that is, which misses a lot of details. So yeah, guys, that's the round look of this car. So why don't we just go for the information now of the Honda Prelude. Alright then, so let's talk Honda Prelude, guys, as it is the information of this simple but cool 1998 Honda Prelude, guys. So at first, going for the production actually began in 1996 and it ended up at 2001. That was of the fifth generation Honda Prelude, guys, but otherwise it has a long history. Well, going for the body style is a two-door coupe. I guess you guys can see that. Well, going for the engine, guys, the standard one in the fifth generation actually got a 2.2 liter 16 valve 4-cylinder VTEC engine, guys. That was the best part in this car. Well, this car is a front wheel drive, as I told you earlier. We're going for the transmission, guys. The transmission has a pretty common selection, that is the 4-speed automatic and a 5-speed manual. Well, going for its horsepower, guys, the horsepower is it is close to 200. It's exactly 195 horsepower of the particular VTEC engine. Well, going for the length, guys, the length of this car is 4,520 in millimeters. Going for the width of this car is 1,750 in millimeters. Talking about its weight, the weight is actually pretty decent. It's 1,340 kilograms, and moving on to its 0 to 60 time, it does it in 7 seconds. Not a bad time if you ask me for a front wheel drive. Well, going for the top speed of this car is 140 miles per hour. That's 225 kilometers per hour. Not bad in that too. Well, going for the last part in the information, guys, that's the price. The price of this car was ranging from $23,000 to about $31,300. That was back then. I don't know now, because the present price kind of varies. So yeah, there it is, guys. That's the end of the information. Now it's time for the ratings. Well, I give it a 10 on 10 out of 10 on 10, guys. So yeah, it deserves a 10 on 10, guys, because of its details and such a good performance engine, you know, for a front wheel drive. It really has some cool performance. So yeah, I give it a 10, guys. Comment your ratings down below. I'm interested to check them out. So yeah, there it is, guys. That's the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button. I'll see you all next week. Stay tuned till then for my next week's video. Bye bye. Enjoy your weekend, guys.